Hello, welcome to my channel. Today my daughter she gonna do some new kind of facial with my face, so we will show you how to do facial at home with a lot of tools. So if you think this is useful, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Enjoy the video. Today's skincare regimen, I'm going to use a lot of tools and product from Amazon, so I will put the link below on my description box.
Okay. Hi, welcome. I will be actually using a few tools today on my mom, and this is actually, it's called the Pure NuDerma Natural Dermal Cell Energy Amplification System. And I'm sure you've seen this when you go to use facials. It is a universal currency for energy in all cells of the human body. As we age, the ATP production slows, which can lead to the outward signs of aging. So this NuDerma system amplifies cell turnover by supercharging ATP synthesis to slow, halt, and ultimately reverse the aging process. So essentially this is going to be firming your skin over time. This is the set. I will be adding the link to the description box below. I've actually seen quite a few of these tools on Amazon before, but this is the one actually that I think was the best one that actually gave really good results based on several reviews. When you open it, it's actually going to look like this. But before we actually use this, I like to steam my mom's face first and get the skin open to actually take this ATP energy and cell system, this amplification system, so we get the most out of our session. So I'm sure you've seen this steaming machine before. We've done a video on it, so we're gonna go ahead and start using that first. She has washed her face. She's fully prepped. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on. I'm gonna give it a few minutes to prep. And once there's steam coming out, I'm gonna have you hold this to make sure that the steam is getting to your face, okay? So it's getting ready right now. And I'm actually going to set up this box in the meantime. This is what it looks like. This is actually the base here. So you can hold this right here.
I'm just taking the steam.
Yeah, taking the steam to prepare. Make sure it's hitting your face. And then this is the base system. So there's about 4 different attachments here. This one is for your hair, so we can actually do the hairline with this. These are really, really gentle and it can easily break. So when you open, the instructions will tell you to be very, very gentle, to not jam them in, to not like stick them in, only hold it by the base and be very, very gentle with inserting it in to the base. So this is how the system works. You can, after you plug it in, you can start, I would start with level 1. You can turn up the knob to level 5, but make sure it's completely off when you're plugging it in, because you don't want to mess with this and the plugs and everything. So this is one of the bases. This is for the hair. So while she is steaming her face, I'm actually going to start with the first attachment for your hair. And this actually helps stimulate the follicles if you're struggling with hair loss or would just like new hair growth. You can use this attachment. So it's not just for your face, but there's several features to this one machine. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this in. Okay, it's plugged in, the attachment is in, and we're gonna go ahead and bump up the level 2. So I don't see the light coming in, meaning I have to just put it in even more. There should be a little bit of the light coming in, so you just push it down. So I'm gonna go ahead and see the light when it's being touched with the head. So this is, you just comb through your hair like this for a few minutes. So I have it up to level 3 right now. Does it hurt, Ma?
No.
It doesn't hurt, right? So you can start at level 1 and then go higher as your system can handle it and see how your skin feels. This is 1. We're gonna bump it up to all the way to 5. I think she can handle this. Does it hurt, Ma?
No.
Stimulate your hair follicle.
Oh.
Let's go ahead and do this while she's using the steamer. So this has many features. Okay, this is just the first one. Okay, so we went ahead and finished with that. Make sure you turn it all the way off to 0 before you take the attachment off. So I just wiggle it off because it is very, very sensitive and you don't want to break this because it's very, very light. So we're going to go ahead and put in the next attachment. So the other 3 are different attachments for different needs. This is to target one area. So this tool is really good for cystic acne. So if you have really bad acne, you can actually target. So if you get like a pimple or something, I don't have to do it to you today because you don't have a pimple, but let's just say you got a pimple, you can turn it on and do this on the pimple and it will dry out the pimple so your pimple will be gone.
Oh, really?
So it's a really great tool for this.
Interesting.
Yes. You could do it at home. You don't have to.
Yeah, sometimes I get pimples, so if I have pimples, I will use that definitely.
So we're gonna go ahead with this attachment. This one is also great for hard to reach areas. If you just don't want to, target one area, you can go get inside here if you really want to. But we're gonna start with the general attachment that's covers the most area for your skin. I like to use this and I'm all good to go. You can use this for 5 minutes a day, not more than that, and you can maybe use it every 2 days or you're gonna be really drying out the skin. This is not for everyone. If you have really dry skin, I would probably use it once a week. So it really depends on what type of skin you have and how you would like to do this. So I like to apply a serum first. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the serum that I've purchased recently that I really like, that I've been using. So I will add these to the description box below. So I'm gonna prep her face with this serum. And the serum is called the Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. So this is a 96% snail secretion filtrate. This essence helps the skin to loose, less moist, while keeping the skin smooth and healthy. So I'm gonna go ahead in with the serum, and then I'm actually gonna put this on her nose. It's a Blackhead Power Liquid that helps remove oil and deeply cleanses while moisturizing the skin to make the pores appear smaller. So I'm gonna put this on her nose area and her area here where she has pores, because now her pores are open, and then I'm gonna go in with this on the rest of her face. Okay, so you can actually put the steamer done.
Let's turn on.
Okay, ready?
Yep. I'm so ready.
Yes. Okay, so I'm going ahead in with the snail serum. How does it feel? Feels good, right?
Yeah, feel good.
Okay, there you go. And now I'm gonna go ahead with the Blackhead for her nose and her pores. Just use your hands. Okay.
After I use After I take steam, then I clean. This is dirt removal. After I take steam, I use this to remove my dirt from nose. I scrub like this. And this is skin exfoliator. Whenever I wash my face and I use scrub, then I use skin exfoliator and scrub my face. After I scrub, I wash my face. This also I got from Amazon. This is very helpful for skin.
So now that her face is ready, okay. Now that her face is ready to get this machine, I'm gonna go ahead and put my favorite attachment in. Again, try to hold it by the base and be very gentle because you don't want to break it. So I'm gonna start with the lowest level. Okay, I'll go ahead. Is that her?
No.
Okay, we're gonna go absolute to the highest level. If you can see, we're going to all the way 5. It's really easy, really simple, really quick. Do you feel anything? No, right? The lips are sensitive. Is it hurting now?
No.
Okay. The lips are a little sensitive, so just be careful. Okay, I'll put it down because it seems like you're getting
Yeah.
a little anxious in the more sensitive areas, right?
Mm-hmm.
So again,
This is much better.
yes, you like this one much better? Okay. So you can do this as long as you like, but it can't be more than 5 minutes. So it's really light.
So what is the reason to use this?
It makes your skin firmer.
Oh, okay. So the reason I'm using this will make my skin firm.
Okay guys, so that's really the treatment, everything that's required, all the products, and hope you guys enjoyed the video and enjoyed the skincare regimen. Don't forget to subscribe and like it if you enjoyed watching it. So see you next time. Bye.